Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, we basically cover making money online, money making systems and money making strategies. So if you've not subscribed, please do so and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of any new videos that I do, which is normally about two to three a week, normally about two. Right, let's get right into this money making video, and this video will show you how you can get paid for actually just browsing social media as you normally do on Facebook and Twitter and elsewhere on YouTube. You can actually get paid just for doing that. You don't have to sell anything. You just do basically what you've normally done when you log in and you move around these websites, these social media sites. So this is a website here called Brand Total, and this is basically a market research website. And as you probably know, market research is a multi-billion-dollar business. It's basically the spying on customer habits and the competition, and these multi-billion-dollar companies are constantly looking for an edge in the marketplace, and they want to get their best bang for the buck when it comes to advertising. They want really targeted advertising, so they get the best response, make more sales, etc., etc., make more money. So, but they don't actually do this blind, of course, but they can do it with gathering information and statistics. Some of these statistics, something that they can rely on. And previously, it was easy to see what the competition was doing. It was all very open because you could see the competition were advertising, like in ads in magazines and newspapers, on the television and billboards, so they can see exactly what the competition are doing. But social media has introduced a real problem for them now because it's very difficult for them to track ads from the competition and customer behaviour. Well, that was until now. So no market research companies have found a way to address that situation, and that is to pay people like me and you to just basically watch our behaviour on social media. So they watch our browsing habits, where we go and what ads we see and view. And this information is absolutely pure gold to a market research company who will sell this information to advertising companies and give you and me a share of the profit. So basically we're getting paid for doing what we normally do, is just spending time on social media. Obviously it's not a full-time income, this is just a side hustle. Basically you're getting paid for doing absolutely nothing, doing something that you normally do. Just looking on the resource page of this Brand Total, and you get an idea what they're basically, what some of the resources they offer to advertising companies. So obviously they can now, because of us, watching what we do, following us around social media, they can see the top ads in paid social media. All this is really good information, and it's all basically snapshots. If you've ever wanted to unlock the secrets of competitors' social advertising strategy, you see, so they're gathering all this information and basically selling it on. So they do different options here for all these advertising companies who can pay for all this priceless information. So let's look at this Upvoice now. This is the website where we can sign up and get paid. So you can see here, browse regularly and earn gift cards. Join the Upvoice research community and start earning gift cards. Let's have a look. Redeem the gift cards in the US and UK. Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, Visa, Uber, Adidas, all the top brands. That's how we're going to get paid. And the social feeds that they cover are Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn and Amazon. I think most of us will be using throughout our day. Normally I'm on probably Facebook and YouTube, sometimes Twitter and sometimes Amazon. And they're basically just spying on everything that you do. So you would install the app on your phone, and you would continue to browse. And they say the actual app is completely safe and won't impact your browser performance. And you just browse regularly as you do. And when you visit your social feeds, Upvoice anonymously captures your ads. So it basically sees the ads that you see, and it gives you daily points that you can later be redeemed for a variety of gift cards. So you're not selling anything at all. Let's have a look. Oh, let's have a look at rewards actually. Let me go back there. So you're basically doing something which you normally do. There's nothing, you don't have to sell anything. All this company wants the information is what you see, the ads you see, and how you basically browse around these social media sites. So look at this reward plan now. What do I have to do to get rewarded? So they're basically Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Amazon. You reach certain points over time, complete specific actions, and let me see, what can I redeem my rewards? How much can I make? That's basically the nitty gritty, isn't it? Depends on how active you are, that's pretty obvious. Active members who visit their social feed daily, which is what I do, can expect to earn at least $75 in rewards in the first year. So basically it's money for nothing, isn't it? And obviously everybody in the household could sign up for this. And make some money. You receive 300 points immediately, and then every day you receive 10 more points, and an additional point for every additional site that you visit. So it's basically, like they say, it doesn't interfere with your browser. It's just working in the background, basically spying on the ads that you see, and they collect all this information and sell this information at brand total. Well, have a look at this. It's quite an easy way to make money, because you're absolutely doing absolutely nothing really. If there is a way to make money online doing absolutely nothing, this is one of the ways. Just some passive incomes. You can make money just in the background, not by doing anything at all. Well, anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this money making video. It's only a quick one today. Thank you for your time. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, as I do, I've been doing it over 20 years, you're interested in high ticket affiliate marketing, earning $1,000 commissions plus, then I've done a free course on this, which you'll see in the description, 100% free, about 90 minutes of video tutorial, so you can just watch it at your leisure, 4 videos, and I'll show you in the course how you can get started in high ticket affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket offers. That's basically what I do at the moment. That's how I spend most of my time. So you're very welcome to join me on that. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell for future videos, about 2 a week. And I will see you next time. Thank you again for your time. My name is Mark Anthony, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.